dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline. Okay, so today we are at Ikea. I'm so excited to see what they have. I haven't been here in I want to say 2-3 years. And it's not even far from me, guys. It's like 15 minutes away. But anyways, we're here. My husband kept saying, go to Ikea, go to Ikea, see what they have. You've never done a shop with me there. So I was like, okay, I'll do that. So that's what I'm here to do. I wore my comfy shoes, comfy clothes. When am I not in comfy clothes? But whatever. So yeah, so let's go. Let's see what we find. Okay, so first thing I see that caught my eye was this. It's a gingerbread. It's $4.50. Okay, so here they have the pots and pans. I kind of want this because you can put your hot pots on here. They're only $3.50. Cutting boards that they have. So nice. These are $30. Look how thick that is. They have napkins. What are these? Oh, just a kitchen towel. The gingerbread people. That's cute. And they have cookie. Do these have cookies in them? They do. Nice. I have these mittens. That's cute. Oh, look, for your turkey. Turkey. Look at these bowls. They're only $2. They're huge. I don't need any, but those are a good price. Look at this. I like it. It's different. They have 2 trays. Oh, I like this cake. Oh, but see, the top is $12. Guys, don't mind my fingers. They're so bad because I just took off my nails. But $12.99 and $12.99. They have this tier tray. And that one. I do need some spoons. And forks. This is a 16 piece for $5. I don't like the shape of that though. Feels cool though. I don't know about that. I might get it. We'll see. I really like these. They're $7.99, but I really like how it looks. It's so cute. I just bought one though. Not the same, but similar. These pillows that are I think those are $2.50 over there. They're pretty soft, but a lot of them are super cheap. And then look, they have these stockings. So cute. I'm looking for some comforters for my boys, and they have really cheap the covers for the duvet. So for example, look at this one, it's pretty. So they have, what is this? This is a duvet cover and a pillowcase for $8. So it's all of that. So then you just need the filler, which I think might be this. Yeah. So you put this in there. It's not the thickest thing in the world, but yeah. I don't know. I think this is what I'm gonna do. Not this style though. See, I have all these colors and styles that you can choose from. These toilet bowl cleaners for $1. I think I'm gonna grab 2. They have these pillowcases, and then you buy the filler if you need, or you can just put whatever pillows you have at home, but they have all the colors. That's what I normally buy. See, you just unzip it, put it in. That's cute. They have these little pillows, $3.99. You know, if you're having guests over, it's good for this because you don't want to go buy expensive stuff. These rugs are only $4. I'm getting some. I really like these, but they're too small. Like they're, you know, that's not big. That's like an area rug, like a small area rug. But they're really nice. They have these type of stuff, but honestly, guys, I don't think this is worth it. I mean, that's $4. I mean, it's nice, but it's not. I wouldn't buy it. I don't know. I'm a cheapo. Ooh, let's look at the big rugs. They're expensive. You probably find them better at Home Goods or, you know, places like that. I'll show you if I find something worth buying. They have these outdoor rugs for $7.99. That one's cute. And they have just regular ones. I like this one. Welcome ones, $7.99. Doggy ones. Yeah, the big mamas here. But these are $700. That's too much. Nope. Not I. Not even gonna go in there. It's not even that cute. Ooh, wrapping paper. Let's see how much. $3.50. Guys, not worth it, okay? You can find paper way cheaper at like Ross or Home Goods or anywhere for that matter. What is that down there? Oh, I like this. It's like a storage bag. It'll probably break in. Yeah, look at the zipper already breaking. Okay, what is this down here? Oh, these are little boxes. Are y'all fancy like this? That you buy stuff like this to put your gifts in and then you use twine? I'm not fancy like that. I wrap it in, oh look, you see? Like that. I wrap it and you might get it wrapped if I got time. Baskets are cute. If you want to put it in your bathroom with like extra towels or magazines, especially for like the holidays that people are coming over, it's $12.99. And it's like a sturdy basket. I like it. If I had room in my bathroom, I would get it. Oh, look, and then this one's $7.99. It's a smaller one, but still cute. Okay, I think we're getting to the kids section, which is what I really want. So let's go. Oh, look, this is a basket like for picnics. Doesn't seem sturdy. Oh, they have these that you can put like your ribbon and stuff. You fancy, fancy. I'm not that fancy. Like shelves you could put up on your walls. That's cute. Probably have to pay for each little piece. they have shelves. Ooh, I like these white shelves. See, that's how they look. How much are they? Oh, they're expensive. They're $20-something. No, thank you. These storage bins. This one is $15. And then this, what is this for? Just the box. Actually, I think it's the whole thing. Only $8. I think I might get some. But do I want to carry this? I think I want them. No, I could probably find them cheaper. I'm gonna research. So they have these lights. They're pretty big. And they're $25. I wonder if it's just the dome. And then, because you know, they make you buy things separately, so. Yeah. So just the, I don't know, I'm calling it a dome. Just the dome is $25. And then the actual light part is, I don't know, 15? No, that's the light bulb. I don't know. Can't tell. Cord set. Yeah, I think that's, so it's $16 for this part. Not bad. If you're on a budget, that's a good one. I have these smaller ones, $15, which is cute. Look at this chandelier. It's cute. I like it. This one is cool too. That one's $100. I wonder if it's for the whole thing. Yeah, I think these are the price for the whole thing. And then how much are you? $89. Just left my cart. So this is cute. This is $80. I wonder if it's the whole thing. I want to say it is, because how are you going to sell, you know? I feel like it is. And then they have this one that is so cool for the entrance of your house. That one's so cute. I thought that this was the one that I had, but it's not. Mine is huge compared to this. I have this light. So mine is way bigger than this. Yeah, that's like not even a quarter of the size of mine. OMG, look at these. Love. Ooh, look at this. The glass dome. It's $15. So cute. Oh, by the way, these are a great price because everywhere else they're smaller and more expensive. There's the pumpkins. Guys, recording and holding a cart is hard. Look at this giant banana. So now we're in the warehouse part of it where you pick up big furniture pieces and stuff. But I just remembered the upstairs is where the kids stuff is, which is what I need. So I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm looking at these. Is that mattresses? I want to see how much they are. It's $170. Not worth it. Section, it's all home mode. I love everything. The boys used to have a ball like this, but theirs was like a different material. And I think I paid like $20 for it. And they ended up breaking it because they played with it so much. But
I'm gonna see how much they are, because if they're not that expensive, I'm gonna get 2 of them because they can play with these inside and not get yelled at by mom. But what I'm looking for is right there. Oh my gosh, but look at these. Like if you want to do like a playroom. So cute. And all the shelves. Guys, these little bins, they roll. And they're only $6.50. But anyways, they got a lot of cute stuff. I'm a little bit overwhelmed. I don't know. Things are just like weird here, because if I want to know if this is a fitted sheet for a twin or if it's like for a crib size. So I don't know. I'm gonna try and look at that now, and then I need to know if this is the right size for the duvet for a twin, or what this is. I don't know. I'm confused. So I need to find someone to help me. And I like this thing over here. You could put your trophies and the boys have shelves that they have, but these are pretty cool. These are $18, so this is what it looks like. They have these trees that are super skinny. That one's $35. This one is $70. And then the smaller one, I think it's $20. But they're pretty cute. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you like something, go check it out at Ikea. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you guys. Bye.